Hi there, this is my lock, and this old vintage laminated lock is a Yale, stamped with a number 8, as is the key, an original key also by the look of it, made in Germany, the Yale Town Manufacturing Company, and Marca Registrada. Yeah. So there we go. It's not got the most fantastic shackle pop, but not too bad, like. So there we go. It's a 5-pinner, small Yale keyway. We'll try and give it a pick. So it's top of the keyway. Try not to go in too far and bind up the first pin. So just looking for binders. I think we found one in 3. A slight click on 1. 4. Sorry, 5. 4. So that was 5, and we get a bit of a false set, a very slight false set. It doesn't turn far, this core. So once feels set, 2, 3, 4, and in for feedback. Looking for counter rotation, and we found it on 4. There we go. Vintage Yale. I'll show you just how little a rotation it takes to pop that shackle. Just yeah, just a few degrees. What's that about? Yeah, 25, 20 degrees maybe. So there we go, an old vintage Yale. So it's registered trademark in English, then Yale in that old style cartouche, and then Marca Registrada on the lock, and yeah, same, made in Germany. It says on the key, but Marca Registrada on the bolt. And there we go. So yeah, another old vintage Yale padlock I picked up in a job lot of locks, and picked up that one as well. We shall be seeing that one soon. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.